Hi, everyone. Welcome. And I would like to show everyone how WireIt's current wire diagrams can be exported to the 3D Onshape CAD software. So first of all you do need to do is link to the assembly, and it will pop up your wire harness projects from Onshape. And then you will link to one of these assemblies, and once you're linked, all you do is push all wiring, select the assembly, and then export. And on the other side, you will be able to see the wire harness uh, pop up in a second. And there it is. So at that point, all you need to do is create a wire reference and say, we have a PSU. So I'm just going to use a PSU number and just select the part here and click next. And the other one for this example will be the power connectors. So that, and then select each one of them individually, and done. And for this example, I'm just going to show you how to route things. So all you do is add one, and then open up the custom tables and see which net you are working with. It is net 1, 2. So all you do is just type that net, hit enter. And as you do that, you can see the wires or nets show up. You can click edit route for that net, click on the button here, and snap it to a lacing tape or a clip in this example. And then afterwards, you close it and then hit add one more. And as you can see now, it's starting to add more nets. And the next one is you just click on follow the route. So they will all follow the route to the first one. And at this point, all you do is click create a cable because it's a cable, and then in 3D. So now you have a cable here. You can later adjust things as you need. However, I'm just going to turn this off. And the important thing here is that the length of the wires have, or individual conductors in the cable have been defined here. And if you go back to WireIt and open up the cut list, you will be able to see the lengths synced to the actual drawing. So boom, you have this in inches, and I think the other way was 210 millimeters. So there you go. Yep, that's it. Thank you.